We have a game to show you today. All you need is some rubber ducks and markers. You can associate different shapes to different prizes, where if you draw a different color shape, you win the different prize, or draw shape, prize, no prize. But we like everybody to be winners. It is as simple as getting the 12 pack of rubber ducks and drawing some sort of shapes or letters on the bottom with markers. These are our luau rubber ducks. However, we have lots of different themes, from fire truck to unicorn and so much more. Once you have all of your ducks labeled, or some of your ducks labeled, simply put them in a kiddie pool, bathtub, anything you find fit. Let your guests come up and draw a rubber duck. In this case, a red star means the guest gets a disc shooter, and your game is as simple as that.